How to change language, Adobe Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you on how you can go ahead and do this method easily and quickly. You want to go ahead and open up your Adobe Premiere right here. Once inside Adobe Premiere, you want to hit Ctrl F12 on your keyboard. Now, this menu will show up. Once inside, you can then go ahead and navigate through this button right beside the console word. From here, you want to click on Debug Database View. It will then take you to this setting right here. Scroll down and you will be able to see the application language menu. From here, you can then go ahead and change the code depending on your language. And so, as an example, my Adobe Premiere is on ENUS, which means United States. You can just go ahead and search Google for your specific language code. As an example, if you want to change it to French, you want to enter this code right here, which is FR_FR. To German, DE_DE, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.